Today I've decided to have a look at CafeTran Espresso, a translation environment tool written in Java that runs on three platforms: Macintosh OS, Linux, and Windows. I'm usually skeptical of smaller tools after problems that occurred with my favorite tool many years ago. But given the way that the translation tools market has been moving lately with some of the big providers, I think it's worth considering again whether the risks of working with a tool from a small organization do in fact outweigh some of the risks associated with larger organizations and their dynamics. I don't know the answer to that, so I'm going to take an honest look at this tool and do a number of tests with it in the weeks ahead, and then I'll publish a comparative analysis of the good and the bad things that I've found to help you make a more informed decision about your working tools. I've already downloaded the tool, so I'm going to install it now. Let's see what that experience is like. Well, that seemed rather smooth. Okay, well, it looks like I'm ready to go. Here's the QR code for the CafeTran website. The installation is complete, so I'm going to have a look and just see what it looks like these days. I think I looked about 10 years ago, but surely things have changed. Okay, I'll accept the agreement. Uh-huh. All right. Okay, I understand for now. Well, this looks a little different than what I'm used to, so it's going to take a little bit of time to get oriented. But it's kind of an intriguing layout. So I'm going to take some personal time to study this and look at some of the tutorials that are available on the CafeTran website, and then we'll come back to this and see how it performs and how well it compares to my favorite tool, MemoQ.